Here, this is very important. In the hostname section you have to define the name of database service we define in the Docker Compose file. Here database service name is DB, so in host section you have to put DB, not localhost. And as we all know, the PostgreSQL database default port is 5432. So, write 5432. Oops! I made a small mistake here. The Docker file and dockercompose.yml files needed to be placed in the root directory of our project where the manage.py and requirements.txt files are located. So, let's drag Docker Compose and Dockerfile and drop those to the project root directory, which is CRM directory, where manage.py and requirements.txt file is located. Okay, now we need to build our project. To do that, go to the terminal and type docker compose build and hit enter. Oh, we get an error. The error is basically requirements file related. Requirements file cannot be copied. Let's fix the error. Here you see that the relative path is not correct to read the requirements file. I need to remove the CRM text here, because the Docker Compose file is now in the root directory of the project. Oh, we need to make a few updates to our requirements file before building. Here you see the MySQL related library list present in this requirements file. And since we will not be using MySQL database, we will comment out these libraries, so that these libraries are not installed in our Docker container. Okay, now let's build the project in Docker. So, type docker-compose build and hit enter. This command will install required dependencies and libraries. Before running this build command, make sure that Docker Engine is running on your development PC. Okay, great, our project has been successfully built in Docker. Since the Docker build has completed successfully, now let's run our project in Docker. So, type docker-compose up and hit enter. Here you see the DB service has started. And also the web service has started. For now, we need to terminate the services a bit. Let's check the port of the web service. It should run on port 8181. To terminate, press Ctrl+C. Okay. Our both service is terminated. Now let's check the port for the web service. You see here I have written 8000, but we wanted to run on port 8181, right? So change it to 8181. I hope everything is okay now. Now let's build the project again. Building started. Nice. The project build completed successfully.